lower back pain. There's the one that drives me a little bit into coming in here. I got a little bit of a shoulder pain too here in this area. I saw that you worked with the Navy in the United States with the Navy, so that drove me here because I'm a Marine. I went through my Khauv part of the back. Sounds good.
There you go. That's it right there.
I feel less pressure in the back. It's amazing. Thank you.
Perfect.
Very good. Very good. I'm better, I believe, kasi kailangan ng katawan kasi very athletic kasi naglalaro kami. So kailangan talaga ng maintenance. So sobrang thank you.
Welcome to our clinic this morning. What brings you in? What can we help you with?
I have a little bit of lower back pain. There's the one that drives me a little bit into coming in here. I got a little bit of a shoulder pain too here in this area. Of course, the new way that we're working now, working from home, adds a lot of stress. You can go out, you can do anything. I see myself working a lot. I saw that you worked with the Navy in the United States with the Navy, so that drove me here because I'm a Marine. So once a Marine, always a Marine. So we don't say we're ex-Marines, so we're Marines, correct?
Absolutely.
So that also drove me here, correct? Your experience and all the stuff that you have done within the United States and the people you work with. And I think that's what I'm here for.
Perfect, and I appreciate your service. So go tuck your chin towards your chest. Does that cause any discomfort, pain at all?
Just a little
Right
bit
in your
here.
shoulder area. All right, look up the ceiling. Pain there at all? No? All right, back to neutral. Go and turn. Any
Just
issues
a little
there?
bit.
Yeah. How about the other side?
Also here a little bit.
Okay, all right. And just so I know, how often you've had your headaches? How often?
I do get maybe, if anything, once a week.
Okay. So our goal is to get you less, lessen. Yeah. All right, so let's go your back now, right? We're gonna turn left and right. Anything there?
Just a little bit in the back.
On the other side?
The same place.
Same
like
place,
here in the
right
back.
there in the back, upper back, between your shoulder blades?
Yeah.
Looks like, yeah. Now go to the straight back. Stop. Painful there.
No,
Other side.
just a little bit here.
Okay, perfect. Sometimes your pelvis is rotated, causing your leg to be uneven. You have a right leg that's short a little bit.
Yeah.
Right leg short. You're aware of that? About half an inch.
Yes.
And this is just pelvis is rotated, causing that leg to be short. But you say you're born in Guatemala?
I was born in Guatemala.
Oh, nice.
Was raised in the United States.
Okay. So, I was born in Cambodia, so we all came from different parts of the world.
Yes.
Okay, there's a spot here, sir.
Yes.
I'm going to take care of that right now. That should help your shoulders and everything. Take a deep breath in for me, please. Blow it all the way out.
It went through my Khauv part of the back.
Very
Sounds
nice.
good.
Very nice. All right. Okay, so there's a couple spots here. There you go. Okay. All right. Sir, I'm going to have you lay on your side facing me.
Okay.
On your shoulder. Let's get your lower back aligned. Okay. Little misalignment there causing that back pain. Our goal is to be able to have you be able to sit and work at home. All right, right there. Okay. There you go. Okay. All right, on your back, face up for me. Okay, let's give yourself a big hug. Scoot down just a little bit. We're gonna improve your posture. It's kind of rounded right here. That's all that's sitting right there in front of the screen. Help you sit up a little straighter. See that? So your headaches can come from here, okay? Okay, good. Your right leg is short.
Yes, I measured that the other day. I saw your video.
Oh, okay. Yeah, believe it or not, your shoes are coming together. They're matching. We took care of your legs. All right. So let's redo the test again. The motion. Tuck your chin towards the chest. Good. Look up at the ceiling. Better there. Right, back to neutral. Turn. You got some,
Just a little.
just a little-
Not the same as before.
some improvement there. Good, good. That's what we're looking for. Oh, the other side.
Just adjustment here.
Different there. Okay, good. Now let's check the back. Maybe go further. The other side.
Just a little bit. See, before it was hard.
That's hard on between shoulder blades there. Go ahead now, turn.
Yes. Yeah, that's wow.
It's a little different there.
Yeah.
All right,
A lot of difference.
cool. Or,
I mean, it's my first time coming here, and we just spent some time doing that, and I feel less pressure in the back. I did the test of measuring my legs at home, and you know, it's easier. You lay flat, and you can feel that unbalance of it. So, it's amazing. Thank you.
perfect.